Well, welcome guys to another part of the video where I'm going to direct you or guide you on how we can make GitHub page to your advantage. So in the previous video we did publish on how did a step-by-step process on how we can upload our files to GitHub, right? So on this one, right, you just need to go under settings so that we will make a website version of this code, right? So since this file is accessible offline, but we need it to be accessible online, offline to online. So let's get started. So under settings, right, let's just wait for it, guys. Yeah. Okay, what we need to do, right, we have to go where it says pages, right? Under pages, that's where we're going to make some changes. Pages, make some changes. So the things, you'll see how different it will be, because here we're accessing the file from the local mesh, local storage, but this now we want to access it from the internet. So under your branch, right, we have to select the main one, right, just like this. Then you have to click on save. You see, let's just wait for it. Okay, so the GitHub pages source you have been saved, right? So let's just wait. There's something which I really need here. So okay. So I have to refresh because there's something which I'm looking for, a domain, a certain domain which will either show up. So I'm going to, the last time which I did it, it was in kind of like an error, but let's just refresh it and see. I hope this one is not an error. Deploy from a branch or a master. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so I was receiving a call from my friend Taco. So okay, so what are we going to do, right? So as you can see, under custom domain, it says custom domains allow you to save your site from a domain other than mbonisimtunes.github. So what we need to do, right, I'm just going to take the same name here, which I'm going to copy and just paste it within this site. So I need it to turn into a github whatever, but let's just try to save it and see how it goes, because if it makes an error, it will come up with its solution. As you can see, that's how I do it, guys. I hope there is another way for you to use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, okay, visit this site. So it's going to open on another form, but mind you guys, this will take like a few minutes for us to be able to access our file online. So I'm just going to pause and keep on refreshing until it shows up. So as you can see, it's 5:08 right now, and we'll just see it after a few minutes. Right, okay, page not found. Do they need me to actually rename my file into index? Do they? Okay, let's just reload. If it doesn't work, then we need to include an index file within this thing. Okay, so what I think is, right, I need to really change the folder name, the file name into kind of like index.html, because usually website works that way. Yeah, that's what I think. I don't know, I mean, what do you think, guys? But that's what I think. Yeah, so let's see. Okay, so I'm in the file, right? So I need to really rename the file into html.index.css. So let's see. It's been so long since I've used this one thing before, so let's see if this thing can enable us to do some changes. There we go on this part of the screen, right? So I'm not going to say, okay, I'm just going to change it into index, because I've read an article before, was it yesterday, when they were mentioning about index whatever, and I kind of like ignored it. But let's see how it goes. Okay, optional extended. Okay, so I had to change the file name from a few app.html to index.html. because it was not showing up on GitHub Pages. Okay, e.g. this one if it works. Okay, so let me just copy the whole thing here and paste it. I don't know who's going to read it, but I'm reading it. Okay, rename form. Okay, yes, that's what I need. Commit directly. Okay, save. All right, let's see it's saving it. All right, saved. Okay, it have saved. Let's see .index.html. Okay, let me try to refresh and see how it goes. If it doesn't work, then man, something is wrong with me. Not something is wrong with me. I should have whatever. Okay, come on. Page not even found. Okay. All right, so what's this thing about? Loading status checks. This is new. Page. Okay, maybe it's this. Okay, this is still in progress, right? Okay, let's just wait for it until it completes. So 2 successful and 1 in progress checks. Okay, haven't completed. Yes. Okay, let's just wait for it to complete and play. So let's go to the page. As you can see, it's showing up. As I mentioned, it was like kind of like 5:08 when I talked about this, right? And now it's 27 past. But with those few minutes, right? So the thing which needs to be done, right? You have to change the file name from, what can I say, from any name which you have done into index form. So now I have to fill up this and check if this one is working. Bonisi, then my surname Tunzi. Okay, let me just autocomplete this one and just list the Chirezi. Then let me put my phone number 26378505214 and gender, okay, male, age 24. Okay, and submit, so that you can see if this form it really works, right? Yeah, because it is an offline version of a file which you have uploaded online and you just want to see if it works, guys. Okay, so as you can see, it seems like it does work. It have redirected us to this WhatsApp page. So let me just cancel. So this is all for today's video, and this is how we do it. This is how you create your own this is how you just upload your offline HTML files online for free using GitHub Pages. So thank you for watching. So for those who have arrived to this end of the video, as a token of appreciation, you know what to do. Stay connected with me so that we can explore this text-based web development. So bye for now.